If there is something I still crave for since I located abroad, it is vegetable soup. Today I'll be showing the steps I use in cooking my vegetable soup and everything I added in the vegetable stew. Hello friend, it's me NK. If today is your first time coming across my video, please do well to subscribe. By subscribing and watching my video, that is the only way you support a small YouTube creator like me. Since I located abroad, anytime I want to cook vegetable stew, I use kale, collard green, spinach, and some fresh tomatoes and bell pepper. But luckily for me, I stepped into an African store and I saw this vegetable, the green we usually use at home, and that was so enticing. I decided to buy the green. I bought also water leaf, then to feel that aroma I usually feel back in my home country, Nigeria. Cooking these two brought back a lot of nostalgic feelings within me, and I'm so glad it turned out the way I wanted it to turn out. In this pot, I added thyme, curry, onion powder, garlic powder, the bouillon, which is the Knorr product, salt, and some seasonings. After adding that, I stirred everything together to mix very well before adding my water leaf. As you guys know, water leaf is just full of water. Whenever you add it to the pot, just know that the water is going to be multiplied by 2. Before adding the water leaf, I added my pepper just for taste. Then I continued stirring it. At this point, I noticed that my pot is burning a little bit under, so I reduced the heat. Finally comes the water leaf. So I added a bunch of water leaf because I got a lot from the store and that made it to be very big. At this point, I'm going to let you guys watch the video and let me know if you're going to be trying this my step in your next time. Thank you.